Diamond Divas. I have another unwrapping for you today. Coming to you from my mom's sunroom. And it's really pretty. I like this. This is from This is from Mindfulness Diamond Painting. And it's by a gal. The artwork is by a gal whom I really, she's quirky, she's fun, has a year-long art collage, art journaling program called Lifebook, and it's Willowing Arts. I wanted to show you this one. I got this from Mindfulness Diamond Painting, and it's called the Quirky Fox. And this is one of her signature pieces. I'm so glad that there are companies who are putting out her work. This is a 50 by 70 centimeter. And let me see how I'm going to be able to get this all on. All on camera. Okay. There we go. I'm going to bump you just for a little bit here. Or I can delete that. One way or the other. Alright. It is a UK company. Mindfulness diamondpainting.co.uk. Okay, so it's a company from United Kingdom. It's called Quirky Fox. And she is a delight. She is, let's see, how many colors does she have? There we go. It's all taped together here. I had so much fun in her Lifebook class. I always wanted to take another one, but haven't had the opportunity yet. Well, first I'll show you the little kit. You can see that. It comes with a pink pen, some pink wax, a white boat, and a less expensive tweezer, but they do the job. It's everything you need to do the kit. And says there's 36 colors. The major background is this, let me see. There we go. The major background is this ecru color. It's like an eggshell. It's just off-white. I love it. It's beautiful. Yeah. And some of her other colors. They're all labeled with the kit number, and the number that they are in order. See, this is 153, so it's a number 1 in the kit, but then it comes as a number 2. So the numbers are going to be off by at least 1. That's weird, but when they get down to 7, they go by letters. So, yeah. So we'll see the drills. Can you see them up close enough? Colors. I'm into color, so yeah. You know that already. Okay. Some more of the beautiful colors. Pinks, teals, navy, reds, browns, gold, taupe. Ooh. Teal. More blues. More color. And the rest of the colors. Oh, I like that mint. Oh, this teal is gorgeous. I think teal and purple pinks go really well together. We put these aside. You can look at the design sheet that comes with it. if I had my wish, I would call her and say, hey, can I ask you some questions? Oops. Is that how you got into designing? Okay, here we go. Move that off. This is the thumbnail for the Quirky Fox. Focus. Okay. And the information sheet. Upside down. It has a small version of the picture. I think I'm going to cut that out and glue it to the box so I know what it is with the information. 50 by 70, some basic instructions, all the symbols, the color number, which is the DMC number, and the quantity you're supposed to get. So I will go through this list and make sure I have each of the colors. I'm obviously not going to count each of the drills in them to see if I have enough drills, but what I am going to do is count the baggies and write the number of baggies I have next to there, so that if something happens and I need to call the company. What I would like to see, though, is more of their information, the company information, like customer service number or email address, and have the Mindfulness diamondpainting.co.uk on here. I will link their company down below. And let's look at the canvas a bit. Let's look and see if we can tell the difference between some of the symbols in the darker colors. I think you can. What do you think? The eye? Can you see all those different symbols? Yeah, I can. Looks pretty clear. The little fox has a butterfly for her wings. And one down here. She's got this viney stuff here. She's got a blue and a orange red paw. She's got little house buildings down here. Willowing Arts, the way she does her quirky features is she puts these little symbols. She has a personal symbology that she uses, and she puts those symbols in here. Now, this one has a lotus here and 3 dots coming down. That's part of the symbology here. I don't know if the blue leopard spots have any symbology, but they do carry the blue color through it and into her eyes and her ear. There's a little tiny crown on top, and I'm not sure what this, I think it's balloons, but there's a star up here. The wings is definitely one of her symbology. She's got a heart in here that you can notice. The background is going to be a lot of color blocking. So get out your multi-placers when you do the background. But I love these places in here that have some confetti spots too. I love a painting that is some of each. And I love the colors. Let me see. The canvas isn't like as soft, flinty, or fuzzy as others, but it is a nice sturdy fabric. I do not see any rivers or any spots in the canvas that aren't good. I'm going to pull this back so maybe you can see it a little better this way. You see it without some of the glare on it? Yeah. I'm not going to pull this all the way back because if I accidentally put the wrong side to this, it does stick. But nice and sticky canvas. Awesome. So, what do you think? I have one of Willowing Arts. I have 2 from Diamond Art Club that are, and another one from somewhere else that has Willowing Arts. I have the Quirky the elephant. I have an angel, and I have the adult angel and the younger angel together. So I have 4 of her prints like that. Like I said, I took her course, and as I come across some of her symbology and stuff like that, and I work on this with you, I will explain some of her symbology underneath the underneath it all. See now how flat that is? How flat and smooth that is now that I picked up the plastic. Yeah, perfect. Okay, well, let me know what you think of it down below. Like and subscribe if you like this canvas, and subscribe if I am in some way blessing you and blessing your hobbies. I want to be a blessing to you. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to be talking about what blesses me and my philosophy for life coming up, because there's a lot to do with things that I'm thinking about right now. So I'll do a whip and chat and share with you some of the things I've been thinking about a life's purpose and, you know, making your life meaningful in some way. And I know how I like to make myself meaningful, my life meaningful. Maybe you'll get something out of it, maybe you won't, but I'll share that with you in an upcoming whip. Okay? All right, so thank you for joining me for Willowing Art, Quirky Fox, from mindfulness-painting.co.uk. And I hope you have a fantastic day, especially if you're doing your favorite hobby, diamond painting. Bye, divas.